buddies, how are you? Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. आप कैसे हो? I hope you all are doing well today, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to practice alone at home without having any partner. So let's jump on to the point without wasting any time. But before starting my video, I just wanna tell you one thing for sure, because it's a kind of main thing. So guys, don't skip this video until it ends, because if you will skip any points, so that loss would be yours. Okay, so if you want to learn English, so watch this video till the very end, because it must be helpful. First of all, my friends, when I was a beginner, so I was just thinking that how can I practicing alone, how can I practice alone, because I have not any partner. I was just alone for practicing English. So what I did, I just searched a lot. I just thinking that what can I do, what could I do for improving my communication skills. So when I searched a lot, I got one idea. Okay, I got one idea, and that idea was about speaking in front of mirror, practicing in front of mirror. So that was kind of like new thing for me. I didn't know about that at the very first time when that was my beginning. So I just started to do that. I just closed the door of my room. I just closed the door of my room, and I started speaking for 5 to 10 minutes every day. I used to do it every day on my, like, I used to do it on my daily basis. And now I would say that I am a good speaker. I could speak in front of anyone. I have a lot of confidence for speaking. Yes, I have a lot of confidence. I could communicate with anyone. I have brushed up a lot my communication skills. Yes, guys, I did it. When I got this idea, firstly, that was kind of difficult thing for me. Yes, I would say that that was not a piece of cake for me. Yeah, that was not a piece of cake for me. Like, that was not a easy peasy thing for me. But I did that. Now, as you can see that I have a lot of improvement in my communication skills. I have a lot of improvement that how, like, I can speak with anyone without having any hesitation. Yes, guys, if you also wanna speak like me, as I am speaking in front of you, so you have to do this thing. You have to practice in front of mirror if you wanna increase yourself, if you wanna increase your confidence, if you wanna brush up your communication skills. And guys, I also want to tell you one thing, that when I was at the beginner level, like when I was a beginner, so when I started speaking in front of mirror, so whenever my little sister, my younger sister, like, see me when I'm practicing in front of mirror, so she just started to laugh on me. Yes, she started to make laugh on me, and I just used to feel shy that what is she doing, why is she laughing at me. But after some time I realized that she is just laughing at me because I am talking with myself, I'm talking in front of mirror, but she don't know, she is just thinking that I'm talking to myself, I'm gonna be mad. Yes, so she was just thinking like this, and she started laughing at me. So that was a kind of difficult thing for me, but I realized that I have to do this thing. Yes, guys, I did this, and now I am a very good speaker in English. So guys, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आप भी इंग्लिश बोले अच्छे तरीके से without having any mistake, without making any mistakes, so just do this thing, just speak in front of mirror. अगर आप भी चाहते हो कि आपको कोई हेजिटेशन ना फील हो, आप जस्ट कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ किसी के भी सामने, किसी के भी साथ इंग्लिश में बात करो, सो यस, यू हैव टू डू दिस. और ये ट्रिक आपके लिए, लाइक, ये एक टिप है. इट्स नॉट अ ट्रिक, ओके, सॉरी, मैंने ट्रिक बोल दिया, बट इट्स नॉट अ ट्रिक. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ टिप दैट यू हैव टू डू फॉर इम्प्रूविंग योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, फॉर इम्प्रूविंग योर स्पीकिंग, फॉर ब्रशिंग अप योर स्पीकिंग, ओके। सो आपको ये चीज़ तो करनी ही पड़ेगी अगर आपको अच्छे तरीके से बोलना है। और अगर आपके पास कोई पार्टनर नहीं है, हाँ अगर आपके पास कोई पार्टनर है स्पीकिंग करने के लिए तो इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको उसके साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, तो वो आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा। बट हाँ, मोस्टली लोगों के पास कोई पार्टनर नहीं होता इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए, सो दे हैव टू डू दिस थिंग। एंड I also did this thing, as you can see a lot of improvement in me, in my communication skills. तो आप भी ये चीज़ कर सकते हैं और ये आपके लिए 100% वर्क करने वाली है, 100%, आई एम श्योर। लाइक अगर ये मेरे लिए वर्क कर सकती है, मैं एक विलेज में रहती हूँ, मेरे पास कोई भी पार्टनर नहीं है इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए, इवन कि अभी भी नहीं है, कोई मेरे साथ इंग्लिश बोलना पसंद नहीं करता। दे जस्ट थिंक दैट शी इज़ मैड, शी इज़ टॉकिंग टू हर सेल्फ। लाइक जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो बनाती हूँ तो माई लाइक कोई भी लोग हैं जो मेरे आसपास हैं तो वो यही सोचते हैं कि यार ये क्या कर रही है, क्या कर रही है, ये जस्ट अपने आप अपनी एनर्जी को जस्ट ऐसे ही ख़त्म कर रही है वीडियो बनाने में। पर नहीं, आई एम इम्प्रूविंग अ लॉट। वीडियोस के ज़रिए भी मैं अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर रही हूँ। यस, आई एम इम्प्रूविंग। सो यू कुड ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ इफ़ यू वांना speak English in a good way, if you want to be a fluent speaker. Yes, you have to do it. सो गाइज कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में पता कर लेते हैं कि उस पर हम फ्री में इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं, फ्री में स्पीकिंग कर सकते हैं, तो देन वी गो ऑन आवर प्ले स्टोर एंड वी जस्ट इंस्टॉल दैट। हम वहाँ पे प्ले स्टोर में जाते हैं और इंस्टॉल कर देते हैं, देन वी स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन दैट, मतलब हम स्पीकिंग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं वहाँ पे। बट देयर वुड बी सम स्पीकर्स who are better than you, like there would be good speaker, they would be good speaker and they makes you feel down, वो आपको डाउन फील करवाएंगे। क्यों? बिकॉज यू विल फील हेजिटेशन बिकॉज ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, बिकॉज आपकी कम्युनिकेशन थोड़ी सी मतलब लो होगी उनसे, क्योंकि आपके कम्युनिकेशन अभी अच्छी नहीं है। येस, दोज वुड बी बेटर आफ्टर प्रैक्टिसिंग अ लॉट एंड यू वुड बी अ गुड स्पीकर। बट राइट नाउ इफ यू आर अ बिगनर, सो यू हैव टू practice. Firstly, you have to practice with yourself. You have to practice in front of mirror before speaking in front of anyone. Yes, you have to do it. You have to practice with yourself, okay? So firstly, do this thing. You have to do this thing. Like if you wanna don't make you feel down, so you have to do this thing. Actually guys, English speaking सीखना बहुत ज़्यादा easy task नहीं है. It's neither easy नॉट टू टफ, मतलब ये ना ही तो कोई ईजी चीज़ है, बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी चीज़ नहीं है, और ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा टफ चीज़ है, ओके? बहुत ज़्यादा टफ भी नहीं है, बट यू कैन डू दिस विद पुटिंग योर एफर्ट्स, विद पुटिंग योर होल एफर्ट्स। अगर आप अपने पूरे एफर्ट्स पुट करोगे, सो यू कुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश वेरी वेल। येस, यू कुड डू इट। एंड गाइज, आई जस्ट वांना एंग्रोज योर सेल्फ, मतलब मैं आपको इस चीज़ में लाइक डालना चाहती हूँ कि मैं आपको समझाना चाहती हूँ कि येस, यू हैव टू डू दिस थिंग, लाइक यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर, you have to practice in front of mirror before speaking in front of anyone, okay? So before, when you wanna speak in front of anyone, so just try to speak with mirror before having a communication with anyone, okay guys? So you have to do this thing, like for making yourself perfect, you have to do this. Good results, if you wanna get positive results, if you wanna merits of this thing, merits means positive results, if you wanna advantages of this thing, so you will have to do this, and you should keep doing this, and it will helps you a lot. It will assist you for improving your communication skills. Assist means help you to improving your communication skills. Yes guys, and it would work like a magic pill for you, magic film, like it would be like a magic for you, and when you will do it, you will have a lot of improvement. You will not see any kind of improvement in front of mirror whenever you do speaking in front of mirror, but you could feel this thing whenever you will have a communication with anyone, okay guys? After practicing, when you will have communication with anyone, so you will just feel that yes, I have a lot of improvement. I could communicate with anyone without any fear. I could communicate without any hesitation. I could communicate with a lot of confidence. Yes guys, it would be a magic pill for you, and after some time you would see that yes, it's a kind of piece of cake for me. It's very easy peasy thing for me. So guys, if you enjoy my video and you have learned anything, so please subscribe my channel and like my video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.